Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
I'm Robert. Today we have a simple English conversation at the coffee shop.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation with us.
Robert, do you want to get coffee this morning?
Yes, I do. I feel sleepy and coffee can help me.
Great. There is a small coffee shop near the corner.
Good idea. I like small coffee shops because they feel warm.
Me too. They usually have soft music and good smells.
The smell of coffee always makes me happy.
Are you ready to go now?
Yes, I am ready. I also brought my wallet today.
That is good news. Last time I paid for you.
I remember that. Today, I can pay for your coffee.
Really? That sounds very kind.
Yes, really. But please do not order the most expensive drink.
Don't worry, I only want a simple latte.
A simple latte still sounds fancy to me.
It is not too fancy. It is just coffee with milk.
Okay, I understand. I usually drink black coffee.
Black coffee is strong. Does it taste too bitter?
Sometimes, yes. But I add sugar when I need help.
I need help every morning, so I add milk and sugar.
That sounds like dessert in a cup.
Maybe it is, but it makes my morning better.
Here we are. The coffee shop is not too crowded.
That is nice. We can find a seat easily.
Do you want to order first or find a table first?
Let's order first. Then we can sit by the window.
Good plan. The window seats look comfortable,
Hello, I would like a small latte, please.
and I would like a medium black coffee, please.
Do you want anything to eat, Robert?
Maybe? Yes. The cakes look very good today.
I see chocolate cake and banana bread.
Banana bread sounds nice. It feels like breakfast.
Let's share one piece. I am not very hungry.
Good idea. Sharing is safer for my wallet.
You said you would pay today.
Yes, I did. I am just saying goodbye to my money.
You are funny. It is only one small piece.
Small food can still cost a lot in coffee shops.
That is true. Coffee shops know how to take my money.
They take my money, but they give me happiness.
That is a fair deal, I think.
Do you want your latte hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is a little cold this morning.
I will take my coffee hot too. Cold coffee wakes me up too fast.
Too fast? Is that a problem?
Yes, it is. My eyes open before my brain is ready.
That sounds serious. We should be careful with iced coffee.
Very careful, iced coffee is powerful.
The cashier asked for our names.
Please say your name clearly. My name often becomes Robin.
Really? Robert and Robin are close.
Yes, but last week my cup said robot.
Robot? That is perfect for you in the morning.
Maybe. Before coffee, I move like a slow robot.
I will call you Robot Robert today.
That is okay, but Robot Robert still needs coffee.
Our drinks are ready. My cup says Vanessa correctly.
Let me check mine. Oh no, it says robot again.
That is amazing. The coffee shop knows you now.
Maybe this is my coffee name.
Come on, Robot Robert. Let's sit by the window.
Yes, let's sit there. I like watching people walk outside,
This seat is nice. We can see the street.
and we can see the bakery across the road.
Do not look at the bakery too much.
Why not? The bread looks very friendly.
Friendly bread is dangerous. It makes you hungry.
You are right. I will look at my coffee instead.
How is your coffee?
It is strong and hot. That is exactly what I need.
My latte is smooth. I like the milk foam.
The foam looks like a small cloud.
A coffee cloud. That sounds cute.
Can I try a little bit of your latte?
Of course, but do not drink half of it.
I promise I will take one small sip.
Here you go. Be careful. It is hot.
It is good. It tastes soft and sweet.
Now you understand why I like lattes.
Yes, I understand. But I still love black coffee.
That is fine. We can like different things.
Exactly. Different coffee, same table.
Do you come to coffee shops often?
Sometimes, yes, I come when I need a quiet place.
I come when I want to read or meet friends.
Coffee shops are good for both work and talking.
But some coffee shops are very noisy.
That is true. Loud music makes it hard to think.
This place is quiet today. I like it.
Me too. The music is soft and the chairs are comfortable.
Do you need Wi-Fi here?
Yes, I do. I want to check one email.
I think the Wi-Fi password is on the wall.
Let me see. It says coffee 23.
That is easy to remember.
Yes, very easy. Even Robot Robert can remember it.
Please do not send emails before drinking enough coffee.
Good advice. My morning emails can be strange.
What do you mean?
Once I wrote good morning instead of good morning.
Good moaning? That sounds very sad.
Yes, my boss laughed. I was lucky.
Coffee first, emails second.
I agree. That should be a rule.
Do you want some banana bread now?
Yes, please. It looks warm and soft.
Here is your half.
Thank you. This is a big half, and I am happy.
I gave you the bigger piece because you are paying.
That is fair. I accept this important job.
How does it taste?
It tastes great. It is sweet, but not too sweet.
I like it too. It goes well with my latte.
Coffee and banana bread are a good team.
Like Vanessa and Robot Robert.
Yes, but banana bread is more popular than me.
Do not worry. You are also useful.
Thank you. That is the nicest almost compliment today.
You are welcome. I try my best.
What do you usually order at a coffee shop?
I usually order a latte or hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate is not coffee, but it is very nice.
Yes, I know. Some days I do not want coffee.
On those days, are you still awake?
Not really, but hot chocolate makes me feel happy.
Happiness is important too.
What about you? Do you always order black coffee?
Most of the time, yes. It is simple and quick.
Do you ever order something sweet?
Sometimes, yes. I order a caramel drink when I feel fancy.
Fancy Robert, not Robot Robert.
Exactly. Fancy Robert needs whipped cream.
That sounds like a different person.
It is. He only comes out on weekends.
Do you leave a tip at coffee shops?
Sometimes, yes. If the service is good, I leave a small tip.
That is nice. A small tip can still help.
I think so. And today they called me Robot.
Is that good service or bad service?
I am not sure, but it made us laugh.
Then maybe it is special service.
Yes, special robot service.
Are you finished with your coffee?
Almost. I want 2 more slow sips.
Take your time. I am enjoying the window view.
This is a nice morning. I am glad we came here.
Me too. Coffee tastes better with a friend.
And banana bread tastes better when someone shares it.
Are you ready to go after your last sip?
Yes, I am ready. My brain is finally awake.
Great. Robot Robert is now regular Robert.
Thank you. Coffee fixed the robot problem.
Let's clean the table before we leave.
Good idea. We should take our cups and napkins.
I will throw away the napkins.
And I will take the cups. Teamwork at the coffee shop.
Thank you for paying today.
You are welcome. Next time, maybe you can pay.
Maybe, yes, but only if you order small coffee.
Deal? I will try to be cheap and happy.
That sounds like a good plan.
It does. Now let's go and enjoy the rest of the day.
That is our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments.
What do you usually order at a coffee shop?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing. See you in the next video. Goodbye.